Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville Barista Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought to us because it was leaking from here, and that was because this gasket that you see right here unfortunately has to rip through the seam over here. The water was filtering out through here, it was not creating a good seal into the group head, so we had to replace it with a newer one unfortunately. We put a little spacer on top of the gasket as well to make a nice little space over here and make a nice seal with the portafilter. So right now we're going to be grinding a little bit of coffee. We're using one of the finest settings on the machine because we're using the single basket of the portafilter. We're using a single wall basket with portafilter. We're not using a double one, so this one has these little holes on the back. So we need to have a little bit finer grind in order to produce a nice cup of coffee. Good. Now we can do an espresso shot. Nice flow coming out through the spouts. As you can see, there's a lot of pressure into the group head. There's no leaks coming out through here or anywhere there. It's keeping a nice seal. It's on the lock position and it's not leaking. Great flow coming out through the spouts. Great crema as well. Nice shot of espresso. Hot water for this machine is a nice steady stream. Excellent temperature too. Nice steam coming out of the machine. Excellent pressure, excellent steam coming out through here. Working excellent. So there you have it, Breville Barista Express working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.